Garden season is here and your plants are thriving, but how do you keep them that way? Say hello to pruning shears. Pruning shears are important tools to keep your garden tidy and healthy. They are especially beneficial when you need to cut back dry stems, twigs, and branches, or remove diseased leaves from your plants. Hello guys, in this video we're looking at the 5 best hedge shears of 2024, and if you want more information we also put the links in the description box below. Thanks. Number 1. Steel Blade Garden Bypass. When you want to make cutting large tree branches seem as easy as slicing butter, the best pruning shears for the job are a pair of loppers. These Fiskars loppers are 28 inches long from handle to blade tip. They are much larger compared to regular pruning shears and can handle branches up to 1.5 inches wide. The blades are made from stainless steel and have a low-friction coating for a smooth cut all the way through. The coating also protects the blades from rust. A bypass design allows you to cut thick branches as well as branches as small as 5/8 of an inch. Keep in mind that because the size is quite large, you need 2 hands to use. We like that the blades are designed with shock absorbers to help buffer any impact that results from cutting thick branches. Like all other Fiskars pruning shears, this lopper is backed by a lifetime warranty. It comes in 3 different sizes including a 23-inch model, and one with telescopic handles that extend up to 37 inches. Number 2. Corona Classic Bypass Pruner. The Corona 3180D is our top recommendation for the best pruning shears because it is half the price of other expensive pruners on our list, but it cuts branches just as well. It's a bypass shear featuring a forged steel blade, which makes it a strong and long-lasting option. The shears can cut everything from delicate stems to tough branches or deadwood. If the blades become dull, you can either resharpen them or purchase replacements separately in case of damage. While this model is specially designed to cut trees and branches up to 1 inch thick, 2 other options that can slice material up to 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch cuts are available as well. An alloy steel handle provides a comfortable non-slip grip. Additionally, the shears have a built-in groove that drains away tree sap, so the blades stay clean and won't stick to each other. Another benefit of having clean blades is that you're able to keep plant infection away. Number 3. Fiskars PowerGear2 Hedge. With one snip, the Fiskars PowerGear2 can clear away dense shrubbery and thick branches without applying a lot of pressure. While some hedgers can be unwieldy to handle because of their size, the Fiskars has extra leverage and 3 times more power than traditional pruning shears. Even though it is big and heavy, the hedger is easy to open and close. Just keep in mind that you need 2 hands to operate it. The pruning shears have 10-inch steel blades with a low-friction coating that prevents rust from forming and allows you to make smoother cuts. Maintaining the blade requires you to rub oil on it periodically to keep it in tip-top condition. We think it's a great choice for home gardeners and landscapers who need an efficient tool that doesn't tax their arms too much. For this reason, those with arthritis would probably find this tool to be especially beneficial. While this Fiskars option is good for thick foliage, it may not be the best pruning shear to chop up big and chunky branches. Number 4. Woodland Tools Company. When you need to prune dry branches and twigs in your garden, an anvil pruner will do the job. These anvil pruning shears from Woodland Tools Company have been performance tested by the brand to ensure the cleanest cuts through dry and dormant wood. Plus, they feature a cushioned grip, so you won't strain your muscles in the process. Because the shears are designed for thicker cuts, they are heavy-duty and able to cut back branches up to 5/8 inch with minimal effort. In terms of design, we think these are the best pruning shears with anvil blades because they suit large and small hands. Before you start snipping, you're able to adjust the size. But, keep in mind that this may limit cutting width. Additionally, these pruning shears have an internal spring, unlike others that have it on the outside. This reduces the chance of the spring falling out or getting damaged. The blades are carbon steel and coated in a non-stick seal to retain sharpness and prevent rust from forming. This tool also stores easily. You can either tuck it away in your toolbox or use the hole on its handle to hang it on a wall. Number 5. Scott's Outdoor Power Tools. For anyone who plans on spending hours at a time pruning, a battery-powered option like this Scott's model is convenient. This pruner uses motor power and a cushioned grip to break off stems and branches with little effort, so you won't tire your hands out. The blades are made from hardened steel and do a great job obliterating shoots and branches up to 3/4 inch in diameter. Just press and hold the button for a few seconds and let it rip. The pruner runs on a rechargeable and long-lasting 2.0 Ah lithium battery. You can get anywhere from 200 to 800 cuts in a single charge, depending on how thick the branches are, so you won't have to worry about stopping to recharge halfway through your pruning session. We like that it's eco-friendly and will not spew bad fumes while it's in use. All pruning shears come with a 2-year warranty, so the company can replace the tool if there are any issues, but you can't buy a spare or backup charger. Keep in mind that these shears weigh around 2 pounds. Thanks for watching. That's all for now, and hope all of you guys enjoy the video. Thanks.